I finished applying a coat of white paint on this and it is dried up. I haven't yet applied it inside, but then I can do that later. So I'll set it aside and I'll prepare the Mod Podge. So in this bowl I have taken a little bit of Mod Podge, some clear water, some plain water in this. I'm going to add very little water and mix it up well. Now I'm going to take these cutouts that I have prepared and I'll just try and arrange this. It's okay even if it is not fitting around the edge. You always have the option to paint over it. How we will see. Just try out a few settings and just see if it looks good. So start going over. Just turn it around so that you can see it well. Very gently. See, hold your brush horizontal to the cutout. If you're pointing it out, then you might scrape it out because the tissue, once it gets wet, becomes very delicate. Be thorough with the Mod Podge. Just pick it out for a minute. Apply some at the base. And then position this the way I want to. So if you get an air bubble, don't worry about it. Just even it out very gently with the brush. Don't worry about your glue or your cutout looking white, because once this Mod Podge or the glue dries up, it will become very transparent. Now I'm going to wait till this dries. If you want, you can use this other rose on the sides, which again will give a very good effect. It can come upwards too. Now you will say that okay, the box is opening, so don't worry, maybe later on at the end we are going to just put in a slice with a blade and your box will open without harming the design. Or if you're still not sure, then you can maybe put a cut across and then glue it the way you want to. But I prefer the other way around, so I'm going to remove this. Very gently. And place this rose at the side. I'll just show you how it looks. Some of it may be overlapping here. Yeah, looks great. I'll repeat the same process. Now comes the tricky part, where I have to really place this gently without tearing off. Try to even it out. started to look interesting. You can add more roses or more pictures on the other side too, using the same technique, and wait for this to dry